Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let me show you how I make my big Kamande stew recipe. And with me here, I have my Kamande, which are already pre-boiled, or you can also call these lentils. I have some salt, cooking oil. I also have my spices, and they are totally optional. And you can also add whichever you like and leave out which you do not like. I have some turmeric, Royco powder, black pepper, and some paprika. I have some onions, some dania leaves, red and green capsicum, some garlic, dania stems, tomato paste, and some tomatoes. And without further ado, let's get started. Once my pan is hot enough, I'll go in with about a tablespoon and a half of cooking oil. Also, once my cooking oil is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. Once my onions start turning translucent, I'll go in with my tomatoes. And for this recipe, we want our tomatoes well broken down. So I'll add in about a small pinch of salt so that they can dehydrate a little bit quicker. Then I'm going to cover this for about a minute till I'm certain that my tomatoes are well done. A minute later, and this looks okay. And at this point, we are ready to go in with our spices. Then I'll add in my vegetables. Then I'll go in with my tomato paste, and I've mixed my tomato paste with some hot water so that it can loosen in terms of consistency. And our curry base looks very appetizing, looks yummy. I'm going to cover this for about a minute so that my tomato paste can cook. Things are progressing on very well, and at this point we can now go in with our lentils. I'm going to loosen this up with a little bit of some hot water. Then I can now add in my soup. Then I'm going to cover this, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to lower my heat so that my soup can thicken up, and then we can have a very nice gravy. And it goes without saying that Kamande is one of the easiest recipes you can ever make at your place. And we are done. So this is ready for serving, and you can see how big it is. I'll garnish it with some dania. As you've seen, it was that easy preparing this, and this, I promise you, is one of the easiest recipes. So I've served mine with some chapati, and let's give this a taste test. This is good. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.